Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a headlight blackout, tint out, whatever you want to call it. This is a headlight for the coat. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, subscribe, and here we go on to the video. Tools you need to get to do this: heat gun, some scotch tape, some paint, some newspaper. Turn on the heat gun, let it heat up. Take off these clips. Now, I had these headlights for roughly 4 years, just sitting down in my bedroom. Now, these headlights were bought to put in the right car, but it got written off. So, yeah. Heat gun should be hot enough now. So what you're gonna do today, just pass the heat gun along the top of the headlight. Pass it all around the headlight. Don't keep it in one spot for too long or anything like that. You're not causing the lines to melt or the housing of the headlight to melt, which you obviously don't want. So just pass it along it all the time. Just, keep a motion. Keep it back and forth. That's what is going to heat up the adhesive underneath here and allow you to take off the lines off it here. I think I need a little more heat. Alright, let me I kinda had it here a little too long, so it started to bubble, started to melt. But not big of a deal. Let's see if I could start to move anything here. There we go. Now be very careful with this process. Definitely don't want to break the lines or anything like that. So you just ease it and ease it all the way around. There we go. Alright, that should come off here now. Ow! Oh. Ah, crap. Ow! 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 Alright. There we go. Lines off. Now, scotch tape, newspaper. So you're gonna do here at this point is just mainly this area you're painting. Alright? So get some newspaper and your mask up. Mask up. That's enough masking up for me. Alright, so you want to get us about 2 or 3 coats, if anything, or to your liking, if anything. let that dry off there for a little bit. Now the paint has dried enough for my likings. I got 10 times better. I like to heat back up the adhesive. To me, it just helps it stick back a lot better. So heat it back up, and obviously doing this will help the paint dry a little better too. And what I used was a high heat spray paint also. I'm not sure if it really is necessary, but to be on the safe side, I use a high heat one time, and then these headlights usually go through a bit of torture in the vehicle, especially in the tropics, so I use a high heat just in case. Alright, that should be hot enough. Put back on the lens. Oops. Squeeze it back in. Oops. That don't sound good. Oh, everybody out there is so sweet. Now, this is where the clips come in. This will help seal the light properly. I heat up the glue a little bit more to get back on all the clips properly, and to also push on the lens as deep as possible. Ow! Aye! Ow! Ow! One good thing that come of this COVID-19, it really get me to do some things that I have been putting on for quite some years. Right. Alright, morning time. Also get a little too hot yesterday for me to continue, so we're here to deal with this now. So I gotta take out these headlights and put in the headlights that I paint the inside in on black. Alright, so headlights done change and everything. Give it a better overall look, if you ask me. These are the headlights. So right now I can't do anything about spotting them properly or anything because the curfew is so long, so you're not supposed to be on the road at night. So when I get the chance to do so, then I will do exactly that. So that is all for today, and thank you for watching.